Hey friends, so today we're going to do a bit of fabrication to create a modification to the crash bar. If you have a ATV Honda like this, where the metal bar in the front does not cover the lights like the newer models, you'll see that if you attach a plow or anything else to the front, it will mash up the plastic part in the front. I'm going to modify it so it rests on metal and not plastic. It's kind of a weakness in this model. The newer models have a better crash bar that covers the lights and everything. Before you weld this, always make sure to disconnect the terminals from the battery. In this case, I disconnected them from here and then put this plastic around it so that it would not accidentally touch the terminals and shock. You must do that before welding. So you can see here where I'm making this bar and this sub bar stronger by drilling holes using the drill press. Drilling 2 holes here and then hitting this in to this hole. So when I weld it, it will be stronger than if I weld it just on the top here. Okay, you can see where I added a piece of flat metal here and a hole in the middle. This will strengthen this bar here. And I added these 2 pieces here. And I'm rounding it off a bit so that I can put it here like this. That way it fits more snug, easier to weld, and then that hook will fit on that part here. So now that I'm going to weld it into place, you could see I'm using these clamps here. Set it there, and I'm using this piece of cardboard to protect will be the light on the other side. Yeah, don't mind my gloves, it just burst. I need to take it off. So we're going to weld it here and here, and then once that's welded on, I can then reinforce it. I'm adding this part here just to reinforce it. To hold on to this bar, so it's not just uniquely holding on to here. Even though it's stronger, just a little bit of added strength. You can see how it is now welded on, grinded down a bit. I wish I had a smaller grinder to get in between here, but what's more important is the strength rather than the look. So now that I've put back everything, started it, brought it out here, you can see where they used to put a strap here and it broke this. I'm gonna use some JB weld or something on this, stick it back, and you can see that my modification here is holding up. The next thing I need to do now is to spray paint it. Also need to at some point create a proper hole for this lever. It's using this rubber, so I'm gonna add some spray paint to that. So I'm using this Rust-Oleum. It's a paint and a primer. If you don't have something like this, make sure to prime it first, because metal always rusts. And of course you want to use the cardboard, sun blocking the cardboard to protect the lights and stuff as you spray paint. So in final, now you could see how it looks. Actually that could look like a push bar in addition to holding up the plow.